Abarikura Eirwariro ya Mbarara Regional Referral Hospital bakwatanise na Mbarara University of Science and Technology bigwireho ekishengye kandi baceterire omugenzi Dr. Situma Martin omushaho wabire nakora ahandu haraza abana Eirwariro.
What we are doing here today at Mbarara Regional Referral Hospital is to be able to commission the theater room that is in this big theater. We are very clear on what we are doing here. The kids all are supporting the operating room that is dedicated to the memory of Dr. Martin Situma.
Aba babandize kugiraho ekiganiro ari University in obwe barukwijuka amagaraga Dr. Situma owakozire byafayo Eirwariro.
The birth of Dr. Situma was chosen by God, and none of us knew how long Dr. Situma would live. You know, some of us would say, but he died young. Who knows?
Always tireless and overtime working. Annie, you made a mistake of giving Kumba to speak before me. I thought I was the one whom Situma loved most.
Hinabazire abarukusima Dr. Situma yayambira abana babo ababire bine bizibu bwa nyuma yo kuzaro.
It brought back his ministry into sharp focus, giving our donors a clear sense of the difference their support was making in children's lives here in Uganda.
Ekishengye nikiza kuba nikiwera abashaho okushemerezamu abana okwegesezamu abashaho hamwe no kujumbura ebirukureta endwarezi.
Kikoma kyokka kukulongoosa wabula n'okusomesa. Tukijja kusomesa abasawo ku mitendera egitali gimu.
Please, if there are people who are planning to carry, you better remember what they told us about Situma. Situma will be seeing it there. Please, let us all handle this equipment with care.
Abashaho baterwa omuranga okutwariza gye abarwire barukwijuka oku Dr. Situma yabire naragurira abarwire okwetorora ihanga ryona. Ndi Michael Tumwakire abwa TV West Agacencwire.